Hi folks, I've just got back from the court because obviously I had to say yes, I'm still representing myself for the trial date on the 26th of November, and yeah, I was the last person, or nearly the last person, to be called. And oh my god, yeah, you can see basically that the sheriff, or whatever title he has, the bloke in the court today, the justice of peace person, and the solicitors, all of them are going to hell. How do I know that all of them are going to hell? Well, because even from today, the court case today, there was a few people, about 4 people actually, 4 cases that were about someone had insurance for their car, but they were delivering things sometimes, and they didn't realise they had to have the different insurance for their car to deliver things. And they were done for that. 6 points on their licence, so a few of them were actually banned from driving because they'd already had 6 points on their licence. Another 6, you're banned. That's it, your licence is taken away for 6 months. And fined £300 for not knowing. Right, so, okay, that's for not knowing. So therefore, when these justices of the peace, sheriffs or whatever, magistrates, whatever they want to call themselves, and the solicitors or lawyers go before God, even if they say, I did not know, tough shit. You had people come in front of you that did not know, and you did not give a shit. You still wanted to prosecute. You still wanted to judge and make them pay. Even though they did not know. Because if you have insurance for your car, a lot of people think that's dumb. I've got insurance for my car, so I can drive my car, and do what I want to with my car. It's got insurance, so done. Okay, that's not really true, is it? But people don't understand, because most people don't know the law, because they don't think about the law all the time. They think about working, about family, about debt. It's disgusting, the system, really bloody disgusting. It's horrifying when you see that, and when you see the justice of the peace saying, okay, I've got to give the minimum. No, you bloody don't. No, you don't. You don't. But because you say I've got to give the minimum, when you don't, you do have leeway to say, I'm going to admonish that charge. I'm going to say no. That charge is gone. You didn't know. Okay, now you know. And now you've corrected that. Good, that's the whole point. We make mistakes. We learn from mistakes. If we never made mistakes, we never bloody learn. Right? If that person who judges people understand things from that view, he wouldn't charge people. He would be cancelling charges. Because he can do that. He can do that. He can choose to say, okay, that charge is okay, or that charge is wrong. That person shouldn't be charged for that. He can do that. Yeah. Of course he can. Otherwise, why not just have a bloody... Why on earth is he being paid to sit there and say, oh, with that offence, the fixed penalty is blah. Just have a bloody computer. Just have an AI doing it. There's no point having a human element when the human element means nothing. It's just someone to pay. He's a retired solicitor, so now basically he makes his money by sitting on there, giving out fixed payments and whatever to people. Right? Excuse me, we don't need you. Sod off. You're sacked. The computer can do that. Put the charge in there. The person said guilty. Boom. So what's the payment? Boom. Straight away, because the computer knows what the law says, what should be done. Boom. You don't need that person. Absolutely bloody stupid. It is, though, folks. I'm sitting there thinking, what are they doing? They think they're doing nice things, saying, oh, I could do more than that, make you pay more, but okay. Oh, fuck's sake. How many times do I say to people, okay, the law says you have to pay £300, but I'm saying you have to only pay 100. Do they do that? No, most of the time they say I can make you pay more, but I'm only saying you have to pay that much. Because they want people to think they're nice. Yeah. It's crazy. It is. It's a situation that is basically making sure that the people perpetuating that are already convicting themselves for the judgment, for eternal judgment. They've already done so. And again, it's insane. When you ask, you go into any of those places where you've got a justice of the peace, a sheriff, a magistrate, you will never, ever see someone who is incredibly rich or incredibly powerful in that courtroom being judged by those people. It will never happen. Why? Because those systems are designed to damage poor people. Yeah. And the people who do it, I think they love it. I do. I think they love it, because if they didn't love it, they wouldn't do it. Because they know they're hurting people. They know they're hurting people. Because if someone has a job and they need to drive and you're banning them because they didn't know they need different insurance, you had chances to say no charge. But you wanted to charge those people. And so therefore, why? It's where we are, isn't it? It's that is the situation that we're in, and yeah, it's not a good situation, but it is what it is. So there you go. You take care. God bless, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Enjoy. Bye bye.